If you're a business owner or you've been planning to start a business, you may be questioning things since this crisis hit. Like, what am I going to do? I'm running out of money to fund my business, to buy new inventory, to pay the bills. The EIDL didn't work out. I don't qualify for the Paycheck Protection Plan. Just what in the world do I do? Well, I got an idea for you. If you're not already utilizing business credit, you need to start developing your company's business credit. You say, what is business credit? I started this business on my own. Business credit is where your company has an identity independent and separate from your own. I'm sure many of you heard about incorporating. And you're thinking, incorporating is not for me. I'm not a big giant industry or business. Well, there actually are several forms of incorporating. Incorporating are the normal things you think of, like a corporation. Then there's also the possibility of an LLC, a limited liability corporation or limited liability company. You may see some businesses running around your area with an LLC tagged on the end of their business name. Well, that is a type of incorporation. One of the benefits there is if your business is incorporated, it actually can get an EIN, Employer's Identification Number from the IRS. It's a lot like a Social Security number for you, but it's for your business. And being incorporated and having an EIN allows your business to be an independent, separate entity from you. As that, your business can start qualifying and building corporate credit. With company credit, your company can qualify for credit levels 10 to 200 times possibly the level that you would as a person. Another benefit is this company credit is separate from your personal credit. Now, don't run out there today and get an EIN and incorporate as an LLC, because I'll tell you that's the right thing, but you've got to know where to go, what steps to take, and how to get started with the appropriate credit. And that's what here on this channel we're going to talk about is building and developing your business credit. Let me ask, well, what do you know about this? Well, I've been an entrepreneur since I was in my early 20s. I've been trying to find all kinds of things I could do as a business on my own. I've tried many different ones and I've failed. The reason I failed is because I've had a lack of money. I didn't have enough money myself. I didn't have any rich family or friends that could pay for the stocks and inventory and the stuff I needed to open the business. But as time went on, I began to learn, understand, and develop. And I've run a couple of businesses that actually did develop and had their own business credit. Makes a world of a difference. It also protects you from personal liability. So stay tuned to my channel here. Tune in as I'll try to cover more information on different days. This is my second video, so I can't tell you yet to go back and look at previous videos. But in the future, there'll be videos you can review to kind of take this through step by step, figure out the pieces. You can also visit my website, Signet, SIGNET, BC.com. That's signetbc.com, where we work with you to help you build your business credit. Remember, like and subscribe and make any comments. If you have any questions to ask, I'll try to respond to you directly and give you all that I can as a good answer. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.